nothing like I've ever experienced.
Good morning, everyone.
Rise and shine.
It's super early in the morning here in Kingstown. We got up just to see how the whole thing unfolds because you know what? Right now it's super dead, but later on it's gonna be like all
Bam! An
hell break
explosion,
loose. Yeah.
which we love because you get to shop, eat, drink, walk around, view, and explore.
Yeah. So even though now it seems a little busy, you have no idea how it gets here.
Yeah, it picks up really fast. We thought we got here on time to get the streets totally dead, but
No,
apparently not.
No. Vendors are already setting up, stores are already opening, and it's only like 7 in the morning. It's amazing.
It sure is. Wow. All right, so let's check out how Kingstown unfolds.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping. Can't fight this feeling off no more. But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all. Meet all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat them all. I'm never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. Yeah. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Start to believe in myself, and life will be sweet again. So sweet again.
Alright guys, it's been about half an hour and already this space is happening.
It sure is. The good thing about it is that the stands stay here. All they have to do is bring their product and display it. So it makes it very easy
To set up.
Yeah, super
Well,
easy.
I didn't expect this though because to see how quickly they set up and how quickly it gets busy here within half an hour is mind-blowing.
And this is literally in the middle of the marketplace, and this other building here, I guess it's a supermarket, I'm not too sure.
Yeah.
But this is quiet. I know you might say, oh, it's a little busy, but later on you will see.
You haven't seen anything yet.
Yeah, most people come here to buy their fruits, vegetables, things like that.
And everything looks so fresh and so colorful. The fruits, the produce. Oh my gosh.
I don't know, but it's making me hungry already.
Can't stand right when it's blowing, pushing me down. Feels like I'm falling apart, yet I hold on. Head held high, can't fight this feeling off no more.
Alright guys, we're at the fish market and this is where you come to get all your locally caught fish. There's all types of fish there. Red snappers, tuna. You can see all the fishermen, they're cleaning the fish, weighing them and selling them by the pound.
Alright, I think we should get out of here because it's so fishy in here.
It smells fishy in here and it's loud, so let's get out of here. Alright, so here we are now in the bus terminal. This is where everyone gets dropped off from all over the islands, from the Windward side, the Leeward side, and the major form of transportation are these minivans.
Minivans! And they go really fast. So if you ever come visit, make sure you look twice before you cross.
Yeah, these guys go zipping around to visit like it's nothing. Also, in the bus terminal, there are a lot of vendors set up here. So what you would see this early in the morning is that they just have the stands. For instance, right over here, we have these stands just empty. And with another hour or two, someone's gonna come, set them up, and lay out their produce.
This is where you can find a snow cone, man. That's
Oh yeah.
refreshing snack.
Yeah, totally.
So we're here, we're starving, we've been up all morning. So we decided to get some breakfast. We're gonna get some codfish with breadfruit and find a place to sit and eat because there are no tables here. So. Oh. Okay. I guess we found a spot. With the view of the market.
Alright, so breakfast time. We got codfish with bananas.
My favorite.
Yeah, apparently that's a very local dish here. So we couldn't find any place to sit, but we found this little bench. It apparently belongs to a vendor who is not here yet. We're gonna take advantage of it. We have a view of the marketplace, and we're gonna sit down and eat some breakfast really fast.
Why really fast?
Because we never know when the vendor's gonna show up.
That's the snow cone man. He's gonna go set up by the bus terminal. We might check him out later before we leave.
But I'm not going to give up and fall. Rise above it all. Beat all my challenges and search for my strength. I defeat a ball. I never ever gonna hide no more. I come to love myself again. For all the things I didn't know, the pain, the hurt, I let it go. Let it go. And I start to believe in myself. And life will be sweet.
We're back in Middle Street to show you what it looks like after all the vendors have set up and the shoppers are out. And I have to say, it is super busy here.
Yeah, it's actually pretty chaotic. But however, you can find anything from vegetables to socks. It is very, very busy. in
I
here.
obviously found something.
Again.
Guys, it's 3 hours later and St. Vincent is fully awake. Kingstown is bustling, it's busy, all the vendors are set up, and it's a madhouse.
Yes, we've been here for so long, I can't believe it. It was supposed
Yeah,
to
I
be
mean,
kind of like,
it just transformed literally within 5 minutes.
I got stuck over there.
This place is a madhouse. The vans picking up people, it's loud, it's crazy, people are eating lunch, all the vendors are set up, so look at the change so far. So now we're going to try to find some lunch. We heard where there's a local vendor set up somewhere on the street, and he sells like the best barbecue chicken on the island. So you like his food?
Oh yes, man.
Yeah?
The potatoes are believed. It's good. It's more tasty.
Well, I'm gonna try it for the first time.
First time,
Yeah,
you get it back. Once you're in the country, you get it back.
I'll be back here.
Yeah, once you're in the country.
Let's see that.
It looks and it smells delicious. I can't wait to taste. I got a
it
mix
does
of
look good.
chicken, pork, some rice, my favorite sweet plantains, potatoes, a bit of salad, rice, macaroni pie. That's Ken's thing. Pork is good. Tender. The barbecue, it tastes tastes homemade. It doesn't taste like it's craft. That's a good thing. Let's check out the rice. Not hard, right consistency. I don't think Ken's gonna get any. Really good, guys. Really good.
You're right now at the best spot on a Friday. This is Big Ron's Barbecue. Yeah, we do this every Friday. Me and my sister here and the rest of the company. And we do barbecue chicken and pork. We're right now at the corner of Melville and Middle Street. Okay? It's near to Salvation Army, Gonzalez Lakers, Ace Hardware, Stango building right here. Almost done there now. Just add the sauce. We're gonna add the sauce in a while. Yeah, and we got a chicken going on over here, right? And if you notice, we got separate grills, right? So for those who don't want their pork with the chicken, here's the spot, right?
So is it a homemade barbecue sauce?
Yeah, I make the sauce. I put everything together, have my local spices and all of that, my secret spices and sort of stuff. Yeah.
Well,
Listen, and this is Ruth. My sister Ruth will assist me every Friday. We're here from about 12 o'clock until about 4 o'clock. Miss it and blame yourself. Only Fridays right now.
definitely one of the best barbecues I've ever tasted. This, very tender. Mac and cheese. Time to eat, guys. Alright guys, I gotta tell you, in all honesty, that was one of the best barbecues I've had in like forever. Definitely come check these guys out. So now we're gonna go guava picking. We gotta take a nice long drive on the countryside, nice coastal views, and get some guavas. Oh, can't wait.
We're here, and guess what I see? Guavas! You know, guys, you can pick the guavas and just eat exactly like that.
She's gonna eat. Oh.
Stir it up.
How is it? Let's see the inside.
It is super sweet. Yum yum.
And it's starting to rain.
Oh, it's really coming down. Holy smokes! Look, look! It's coming in the car. I don't think Ken's gonna get any. That was fun, wasn't it?
That was nice.
Fatso! I'm not sure, but I guess we can. Ooh, guys, what out? Look at this, babe. This is crazy. All right.
Hey guys, have you ever heard of San Cipriano? Well, it's a remote village deep in the middle of the Colombian jungle, and the only way to get there is on a contraption called La Brujita, the witch. It takes you through tunnels, over bridges, snaking through the jungle for about 45 minutes till you get to the village. It amazes me that in this day and age that this is the only mode of transportation to get there. It's unbelievable.
If you think that's unbelievable, you have to check out this beautiful temple in Thailand that we came across with ginormous dragon wrapped around it. Yep guys, I said dragon. We actually had to walk to the belly of the beast to get to the top of this temple to see this bearded creature up close. We also found a giant turtle, a peacock, and so much more. You won't believe it.
You know what guys, after you finish watching these videos, please just leave a comment below. Let us know what you think.
And as always, thank you so much for watching. Please share this video with at least one friend. Click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you on the next video. Bye!
See ya!